Okay, it's going.
Alright. Okay, this is a video for the turbo whistler. Blam! Turbo whistler. We're doing a video on this because there are no muscle cars on these. They're all street tuners and shit like that. This is a 98 Ford Mustang, V6, cold, yeah, it's messy inside, shut up. Cold air intake, cherry bomb exhaust, glass pack, whatever. This is before the turbo whistler. Yeah, that's before the turbo. Ow. This shit by now.
I think I need a mechanic for this.
Hell yeah. Alright, done. That's like 5 seconds.
We just installed a turbo whistler in 5 seconds. Oh, fuck, it's cold outside.
Dude, it is cold. This is with the turbo. Yeah, buddy. Right. Oh my god, it's still smoking.